Good day, YouTube. This is Jay Money with Falling Forward Financial. Just an update here on Sunrun. So much for Robinhood. I don't know if it's going to work on here or not, but we can go over the pricing here in just a moment. I apologize for that, but this is Sunrun. I've talked about them in the past. Ticker is RUN, and if you don't know what they are, it's a solar company. Feel free to pause and go over that. Founded in 2007. 8.05 million shares, and on the average of 10.06 with a $4.97 billion market cap, 52-week low of 2170 and a high of 8481. Great ratings on this one at an 82% buy, and here's a look at their next earnings coming up on the February 17th, so you might want to put that on your radar if you're into this one. So the price is currently at $23.99. Here's a look at what they've done over the years. So they've kind of went down a little bit. I have not bought any more of this one. I've been holding this one for quite some time, and it's having a decent day today. So here on Microsoft Bing, currently showing it as a buy and a 1-year price target of $55.95. And I believe it's been up to that price in the past, so 52-week high of 8. Yeah, so it's been well above that. So it was $50 a while back. I almost sold this one, but just kept it. So it's going to go back up. Summer's right around the corner. Sunrun upgraded, issued by Wall Street Gurus. So Sunrun went up by 0.64%. This is a little bit older article, but still relevant to the price. And price compared to the 1-year high of 84.81, the company's stock price has collected minus 9.61% loss in the last 5 days of trading. Average price from analysts is $65.37, which is $38.69 above the current price. Run currently public float of 198.25 million, and currently shorts hold 18.45% ratio of that float. Here is their market performance. So simple price, moving average for the period in the last 20 days is minus 22.94% for RUN stocks, with a simple moving average of minus 48.80% for the last 200 days. Analyst opinion of RUN, we'll go over that here towards the end of the video. Sunrun Holdings raised by Geode Capital Management, and as you can see, this is dated on the 2nd. So they increased their stake in the shares of Sunrun Incorporated by 16.2% in the third quarter, according to the company's most recent 13F filing. And Securities Exchange Commission, SEC, the fund owned 2,635,956 shares of the energy company stock after buying an additional 368,026 shares. Other institutional investors and hedge funds also recently modified their holdings of the company, which is always nice to see. Even though this one's down, it doesn't bother me at all. It's going to go back up. So this one's been up. It's going to run back up. So might provide a buying opportunity. I just have not bought any more of this one. So been into too many other things. So shares of RUN opened at $26.01 on Wednesday and had the 12-month low of $21.70 and a 12-month high of $84.81. Last announced results of earnings on November 4th, and as I already showed you, those are coming up again. So here's their company profile. Moving on. This person sells 4,271 shares of Sunrun, and this is dated on the 8th, so just here today. Sold 4,271 shares of the firm stock in a transaction on Friday, February 4th. The stock was sold at an average price of $24.42 for a total transaction of $104,297.82. The transaction was disclosed in a document filed with the SEC on Friday, November 12th. Sold 6,500 shares of Sunrun. The shares were sold at an average price of $59.59. So that's back when I wish I would have sold mine, so I could have rebought and had double the shares. But that's a perfect world, and sometimes we don't live in a perfect world. So here's a little bit more about Sunrun. It sells solar services, offering and installs solar energy systems for homeowners through its direct-to-consumer channel. So this buys Aventor, Pentair, Sunrun, and sells eHealth. So lots of trading with Sunrun. Some are buying and some are selling. So I'm holding. If I had money that I hadn't put into some other stocks, I would probably be buying some more RUN. But this is a new purchase for them, as you can see right there. So there's a semiconductor. I've talked about quite a few different semiconductors here on the channel. And some Xpeng, that's interesting. I've talked about that one on the channel here as well. So the purchase prices were between $31.44 and $58.66. That's quite a range, with an estimated average price of $46.69. So looks like they loaded up. So this one's going to go back up towards the summer. I have a feeling it's pretty much what happens with this one. So, and they buy ET Open, Parent Holdings, Spider, and so on. Here's some new purchases. Top 5 holdings: Google. I just did a video on Google and Amazon. Over here on Reddit. Can I cancel my Sunrun? They are awful. Just hold it. It's going to go back up. It's solar. So over here on StockTwits, currently at $23.99, low of $21.70, high of $84.81. And there's some more information on a hedge fund. We kind of already went over that. 35% tomorrow. No more other information in there. Over here on MSN Money, currently showing it as a buy. I think I've always seen this one as a buy. Tip ranks currently as a moderate buy with 120% upside to $52.93, high of $91, low of $16.15. That's all that I have on Sunrun. If you have this one, go ahead and list it in the comments along with your cost basis, any other information you'd like to share on this one. And if you haven't smashed that like button yet, go ahead and hit that for me, as well as subscribing and hit the bell so you're notified of when the next videos drop. Again, this is J Money, Falling Forward Financial. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers.